Hello YouTube, it's Supportive Mom, and I'm back. I decided I was sitting at work, and I said I need to go and talk to my peeps. I haven't talked to them in a while, and I was just sitting and I was thinking, I say, it's getting ready to be holiday time, and I know so many people start to get depressed, you know, so I said, well, let me talk to my people to make sure we don't want anybody to be depressed. We are not doing that. So what we're going to do, I just wrote down some little words that I want to make sure that I remember, important things that I think will make a person depressed during the holiday. So after Halloween, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go trick or treat. We're going to get our candy. It's Saturday. It's all over. And the holiday season, what? Begin November the 1st. But we will not be depressed. And that's how we're going to start. We're going to start off by talking to ourselves.
You look great. Niggas ain't ready. Oh, I look good in a pattern. I think this is African. That's just right.
First thing we're going to say, we're going to get up. Y'all know how when y'all taking that selfie, and we're going to take that selfie, we're going to smile, and we're going to say, okay, holiday season, I will not be depressed. I will not get stressed out about anything. So how you going to start? First thing you're going to do, you're going to look at your money. Not going to look at somebody else's money. You're not going to look at your sister's money, your next door neighbor money, your friend's money. You're going to look at your money. Look at your budget. What do I have to work with? That's all you're going to work with. That's all you're going to work with. You're not going to run your credit cards up, because then come January, you're going to be stressed out. Got to work all this overtime. We're not doing it. We're going to be real with ourselves. Keep it real. How you going to keep it real? Deal with your real finance. If you only got $500 to spare, not $500 off your bill, that's all you dealing with. Whatever you decide to have to spare, like me, I already told them I can't get sentimental gifts. Y'all do like give them some sentimental gifts. They don't want sentimental gifts, forget them, all right? I know all of that, so y'all know what she like. She like nails, she like hair. Hey, I might go to Walgreens, get her back a press on. Merry Christmas, right?
Niggas in the party looking at me like I'm bugging. I saw that nigga mad love, B.
We ain't looking at you like you bugging, man. You bugging, man.
This nigga be thinking that type of shit is funny.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give some sentimental gifts if we have to. And if a person really love you and care about you on the real, they're gonna accept it. If you know a person likes to read, get them a nice book by their, favorite author or something, okay? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, we got that out the way. Now, here comes a biggie where a lot of people get depressed. Girl, I got invited to a party and I don't have anything to wear. Supportive Mom gonna tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna go get you a nice red sweater or a nice red dress. Go get you a nice black sweater or a nice black dress. If you get the sweater, get a little glitter in it, that's gonna sparkle a little bit. Get you a nice pair of jeans, nice pair of black jeans. I would even say go with a white top. You gonna get you some nice jeans that fit that body right, okay? Some nice pair of pumps, nice pair of heels that you like. You ready for holiday? Switch them up. Most of us get invited on the average to 3 parties. So if you got 3 different outfits, 3 tops, 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of black pants, you ready for the holiday. You do not have to go out spending all this money for the holiday. Your money already funded. Stop going sliding that credit card. Take your credit cards, put them away. Let's do that. We're not keeping up with the Jones. We don't know what the Jones is doing. My mom always told me, girl, you don't know what the Jones is doing over there in their house. Jones might be riding in a Mercedes. You go in the house, they sleeping on air mattresses all through the house. So we're not doing that, okay? Then we're going to get ready to make ourselves feel good. We getting ready to feel good, okay? We got the gifts out the way. We got our outfits. Let's start decorating. Decorating make me feel good. Everybody, everywhere you live, if you don't already have your Christmas decoration, you're going to go to Walmart, get you a nice basic tree. If you don't have money for a tree, you don't have to put up a tree to decorate. You can decorate the house. Dollar Tree. Bam. There you go. They already got them out. Go now in October. Go on Dollar Tree, decide what color you want for your decorations. Take you $25, $30. Get those decorations. You want red and silver, blue and gold. Go get your decorations now. Don't wait the week before Christmas. You're going to be depressed. So let's go to Dollar Tree now. Let's start decorate. Decorate the tub. Decorate the sink. Decorate the couch. Over the doorway. If you have money to put up a tree, go for it. Hey, send me a picture. Tag me in it, okay? Now, something else. Supportive Mom. Who am I gonna spend the holidays with? You. Whoever else, if they come along or if they're there, they are there. If not, you're not going to worry about them, okay? But remember, we make it us happy. Who will not be depressed? I will not be depressed. Talk to yourself. I will not be depressed. Talk, girl. So, your mate, your husband, your boyfriend, he not in the holiday spirit? Turn the music on, you decorating the house. Baby, you better get with me because I will not be depressed. I'm enjoying this holiday season, okay? This is how we're going to do it. Family, do you invite everybody over if you're hosting family dinner? What I do, I like to have cookie and eggnog night. You know, we all like to do our little thing for the holidays. So throw you a little small celebration. Put something together. It doesn't take a lot. And what I do with my cookie and eggnog is I have different types of cookies and I have my eggnog and you decorate the house really pretty for everybody. Girl, you got a Christmas party. Girl, supportive mom threw a Christmas party. Girl, your name ringing everywhere. You threw a Christmas party, okay? Now, back to family. Do you go to all the gatherings? If you know that your family is one of those families that's going to not act the way we like for some people to act.
Not getting one penny of my money, not one thin dime.
Did I ever ask you for anything? Did I ever ask you for anything? I never asked you for nothing, not even your sorry ass hand in marriage. Nothing. I never asked you for nothing.
I'm not gonna say will you go or should you go. This how you go, girl. This what you do. You get dressed up. The party started at 7. You know they gonna probably get tipsy and get full, start acting crazy about 10. So the party started at 7. You tipping there at 9 o'clock, 9:45. You tip on out. You made your entrance. The family not all upset, and you gone. Bam. That's how you do that. And you don't even have to let nobody else in the family know. Girl, I'm not coming over there. I'm not doing, because all that starts up a lot of stress and emotions that you don't need during the holiday time. Remember, this holiday we're talking to ourselves. But now, here is a key thing that I'm gonna do this year. Something that I've never done. Hey, boo. He gonna enjoy the holiday. You gonna enjoy the holiday with me?
Yes.
Okay. So when you ask your mate, husband, or spouse if they gonna enjoy the holiday with you, if they don't say yes, don't get upset. Enjoy your holiday. Cause girl, when he see you stepping out in them heels and those bad jeans you done picked out that's fitting that body right, he gonna get with the program. Trust me, he will, okay? But this is something that I'm going to do this year that I've never did. And you all may want to do this. I'm gonna make myself a wish list. Let's make a wish list. Let's make a wish list. Let's tag it and post it on our Instagram page, Facebook page, and let's be reasonable, okay? Don't ask someone to buy you something that you know you would not buy for yourself. So let's keep our wish list within a price range. That way your friends can go out, they may can go to Target. Let's say you put a couple of things from Target, a couple of things from Macy's, a couple of things from Walmart. Girl, you got gifts coming in. Post your cash out. Here is my wish list. Why? Because I will not be depressed. I will not. And then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go out and buy myself one thing that's on my wish list to get it started. So that's a good way to not be depressed. And we just gonna watch it, and maybe your other friends, you may see, hey, I'm gonna send supportive mom something. I may look on your wish list and see, here's one of my followers. Let me send them one of their gifts. Because we what? We will not be depressed this holiday season. Okay, something else we can do to not be depressed. We're gonna exercise. Y'all know I love to go to the gym. Get on my bike, ride. I'm doing 30 days, 30 minutes. Add a little exercise to it. Exercise just makes you feel great. Really does. It helps you to sleep better. Everything. It relieves the stress because we what? We will not be depressed. Okay, what are we doing? We're talking to ourselves. We're exercising. Making our wish list. We will not be depressed. Our mates gonna either what? Get with the program or they not. We know some of our families crazy. We know some of them know how to act. The ones that's a little cuckoo, tipping they party and tip on out. You hear them saying some girl, they over there talking just now. Okay, grab you a cookie, grab you a little eggnog, grab you some cheese. Hey, all right, see y'all. See y'all next year. See y'all at New Year. That's how you gonna deal with them. You got your decorations. When we going to Dollar Tree? Come in, tell me we going to Dollar Tree now. Before November the 5th. Let's get to Dollar Tree. Get those decorations, okay? Let's start decorating. Oh, one more thing I forgot. You got to have, everybody, come on. Temptations Christmas. Turn them on. Turn them on, baby. Temptations Christmas. You got to have. What's that song they be singing? These songs you like? These songs behind the camera, baby. But you got to have the Temptations Merry Christmas. Go get the Temptations Christmas album. I guarantee you will not be depressed. So enjoy your Halloween candy. I love y'all. Y'all know I do. Don't be depressed. If you do, talk to yourself. Shake it. Turn on the Temptations, okay? Get those decorations. Throw some. Y'all know the little silver icicles everybody's mom and grandmom used to use in the 70s. Get you a box of those. Every time you feel yourself getting depressed, take them out the box and throw them up and look at them and watch them fall. Baby, I'm telling you, you have to get down there and get it up. The depression will leave. But serious on the real note. On a real note. I love y'all. Please don't allow yourself to get stressed out or upset. I know so many of you may be dealing with COVID and different things. That's election season. Cast your vote, pray, and leave it alone, okay? Leave it in God's hand because we cannot worry about all of that. But you must vote. Again, this is your girl, Supportive Mom. I love y'all. Give my video thumbs up. Comment down below. Turn that Temptations music on while you watching my video. Listen to them Temptations. Subscribe. Turn that bell on. And y'all, I'm going to try Vlogmas to keep me from being depressed. I love y'all. And I'm out of here. Happy, happy, happy. Talk to yourself. All right. Think you might can work with that?
Yeah.
Okay.